about the first 10 minutes of your day? If your thumb is scrolling before your feet hit the floor, you've handed your brain to 50 strangers before you've thought a single thought of your own. So here's how to take those 10 minutes back. 2014, no willpower required. Step 1, distance. Tonight, charge your phone across the room instead of on your nightstand. That tiny bit of hassle means grabbing it isn't automatic anymore. Step 2, give your hands a job. Leave out a glass of water, a notebook, or just plan to take 5 slow breaths at the window. Pick one small thing to do before the phone enters the picture. Step 3, the secret one. Prep it all the night before. Don't ask sleepy morning you to make good choices, you 2014. Let well-rested evening you leave the breadcrumbs. And if you use your phone as an alarm, keep it across the room. You'll have to get up to turn it off, which wakes you properly. Alarm off, water down, then you may rejoin the internet. 10 minutes where the first voice you hear is your own. Start tonight. Enjoyed hanging out? Tap like, hit subscribe, and I'll save you a seat for the next one.